All right, let's take a look at the proper function. This can come handy when you get data that is a bunch of somebody's typed in and they've got like this all in lowercase, this in uppercase, and we want to sort of just, fix it so that it looks better instead of everything lower and everything upper. So the function for that is you can just type equals proper and then just say, okay, I want in this column B, we're going to put that right there and fix it and make it proper. And now you can see what it does is it fixes everything. It puts the first letter of my last name and first name as capital letters. I can do the same thing here and same thing here, but it'd just be easier to just highlight and do a control down. And we can see that it fixes everything to make it nice and pretty. There's also a lower and upper function. If we type in here equals lower of cell A3, we can see it puts everything in lowercase. Now, there's reasons you might want to do that. The next video I'm going to put out there is going to have a reason for that. It'll show you how we might be putting things in email addresses. And here would be equals upper. We can do of cell A4. And it puts everything in uppercase. There you have the proper function and the lower and upper function.